guys? Bruce here and welcome back to the channel.
Holy shit! Oh my.
So guys, it is currently 4 a.m. We are getting Project Green Mile loaded up and ready to rock. We've got the cut boggers on it off the drag truck. Yes, it's 2-wheel drive, but we are gonna kill it anyways. We don't care. Yeah, the lighting kind of sucks right here, but we've got the boggers on the back. We are gonna put an air filter back on it just because where we're going today is extremely dusty. And we are gonna mount the edge comp to the inside of the truck. We're gonna get everything loaded up, get my four-wheeler loaded up. We've got the RC cars, we've got my buddy DeBlaze, better known as Kool-Aid Mans. We've got his four-wheeler loaded up. We are gonna head out to Rancho and go have a blast today. So stay tuned for a long, maybe the longest video I've ever done, but we're gonna have some insane adventures today. Left Walmart, filled everything up, got our cooler full of beer. Everything's ready to rock for lunch today. We're gonna be grilling out. We've got the Longhorn hooked up. Man, do I need to get a set of airbags bad. This thing is sitting so low, it's ridiculous. But these new decals turned out freaking tits. I mean, they turned out amazing. Also, got a new tonneau cover for the truck and the after hours diesel in the back and the phone number and all the goods right there. In case you guys haven't noticed what we're starting here. Yeah, old diesel gang, guys. Diesel gang. And we've got the four-wheelers loaded up. We've got the Green Mile in the trailer. We've got DeBlaze, better known as the Kool-Aid Man. We've got his four-wheeler on the trailer. We've got my Can-Am loaded up. What you got there? Got your goddamn can of NOS. Nitrous oxide. Is that what NOS stands for? What does it say on the can?
Yeah, nigga.
High performance energy drink, NOS. Kind of like nostrils, NOS. It's really NOS. Man, she's looking stout today, boys. Rancho and the old Green Mile beater Cummins. Got my boys behind me on my Can-Am and DeBlaze on his Polaris. Killing it. This thing is rough as shit. Whenever this thing bounces, the tires literally leave the ground. I'm gonna try to get a GoPro underneath the frame and video the way the front suspensions work. This is bouncy as hell.
Got him!
Drivers, start your engines!
Alright, Daniel, fired up when you're ready, buddy.
Inches later.
Throwing it?
Oh yeah.
Baby was throwing the dirt. So we ran into our first problem. On all the jumps we were doing, the batteries were popping up at a spot. The battery's actually laid against the alternator. Yeah, not good. So we're gonna strap it down and get that problem taken care of.
tire blew off. Yep.
I doubt it. Maybe. I don't know. Back. I don't know why I'm even looking. I know. Right?
It got sent.
Well, we popped tire off B because I failed to forget to remember to put air in it. So we got the old jack out of the Longhorn, a spare Longhorn tire, and a spare trailer tire about to get installed on this beast. Because both tires decided to pop off of me. Chaz-tastic's made it, boys and girls. He is here in the old flatty. And now he's stuck.
A few moments later. Alright guys, so we're about to haul ass over these whoop-de-doos with the truck. Try to get the front end airborne. This is gonna be nuts. I can't believe something doesn't break. I don't know. It's just gonna be impossible. Something has to break. All these goddamn Jeeps. Guys, here we go. Seatbelts aren't working.
Nope.
Hold on tight. It's gonna be fucking epic. Woo!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Holy shit. Did it get airborne? Yeah, we lost the bogger. God dang. Shit! Jesus!
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. I'm still gonna send it.
phone there.
Where's my phone?
Nice.
Real nice. Out here at the Rancho Bonito here in Florida. In the background you see the water wheeliers wheeling. Basically, the longer you water wheelie, just kind of shows your manliness. Kind of like that fella right there. How long can you water wheelie, Sir Jonathan?
Not long.
Why? I bought the chips. What's it to you? Jacob in the middle and Jonathan in the back. That's what we do here in Florida. It's not so cold. We can get wet.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We are about to launch a perfectly good work truck off the hill. That is two-wheel drive and the front shocks are absolutely destroyed. I've never done something like this in my life. It's pretty ridiculous to wreck a perfectly good truck, but we're about to do it. Doesn't look like much, but this is a hell of an incline. And it's just a gradual up, so hopefully we should go up and go straight and land flat and hopefully not break anything so we can make it back to the front. We're about 2 miles from the trailer. But first we're gonna have to go through the mud hole after gaining some speed over there, so we're gonna see what happens.
3, 2, 1.
That'll work.
Oh my God, hold on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That is a wrap for today's insane video. I am definitely hitting the chiropractor this week. My back is killing me along with Dylan's. The Green Mile has seen better days. We're gonna get her cleaned up and get her back to new again this week. This is now the most lit diesel YouTube channel, hands down. Project Green Mile has seen better days. We're gonna get her fixed up this week, get her cleaned up, and probably put it up for sale. If anyone's interested, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. So until then, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Until then, we'll see you tomorrow.